Welcome guys. In this video we are going to be making a roof plan of this floor, from this floor plan which we have over here. So from this floor plan we are going to be making a roof plan which is in 2D. So I want you to select this line here, select it like that, then copy this selection, copy the selection there, then move it here like that, then press on enter. Select this entire join, then type in the command break, break like that, the breakup or explode command. So these lines are now individual. Then select this again like that, then press J for the join command, enter, then to join everything like that. So after you have done that, go on offset there. I want you to offset this at a distance of 500, then you press enter. You offset like that, then delete this. Go on, delete, and let me escape first, then select this line, then delete. So we want to have this line. So from this line, we are going to be making our plan of the roof. So I want you to go here, click here. I want you to select here. I want you to be making lines which are going to be in 45 degrees angles, 90 degrees, 135 and 180 degrees. These are the lines we are going to be using when making our roof. So select here, make sure it's selected. If you don't have this on, you should turn it on. You restrict the cursor to specific angles, turn it on. After I've done that, go on line, select the line there, then make a line. It is going to be going that side, 45, enter, enter again, make a line going that side, 45, enter, enter again, make a line going that side, 45, enter, enter again, make a line which is going here, 135, enter, enter like that, then enter for the previous command, make a line here going this side like that, enter, enter again, make a line here going this side, 135, enter, enter, enter again, make a line going there, 135, okay, line there, enter, enter again, enter, make a line going this side like that, enter, enter, make a line going this side, enter, enter, make a line going this side, enter, enter, and for the line, make it like that, enter, enter, make a line here, enter, enter again, make a line going this side, enter. After I've done that, I want you now to use the trim command. So type P for trim, CR, enter for trim. Then I want you to trim these. You trim here, trim this line, trim that 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 line. Then here you forgot to make a line, so press the escape, then go on line, make a line there to there, press on enter, escape like that, then select the entire drawing like that, then press on join, enter. After that, I want you to type hatch. We need to hatch, press on enter. So we're going to hatch here, 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 here. You select these faces like that, press on enter. After I've done that, select this, go on edit, hatch, edit there. Then there from solid, change there the layer, you can change the color to green, the scale, let's put it at, and put it at 40 like that. Then at the angle, you want to move it to be at 45 degrees angle to there. You can just take there the 45 degrees angle and go there. So we can select any, but I'll go with this one, press on okay, like that. So press on escape. So guys, this is how you make your roof plan using AutoCAD. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe as well.